I'm Wolfgang Egger from Audi Design, and I'm very happy to be here in New York today to show you the A3 sedan. The perfect integration of technology and design you see also in the daytime running light, which is really a strong hook in the front here, a very strong symbol, which brings this eyebrow look into the front. This can be seen also in the interior of the light, in the design of the detail, where the LED technology and the design features, the detailing are working perfectly together, where we get working now for many years on the LED technology on a very good step, also on the A3 sedan. So when we are in the inside of the car, you recognize immediately the sporty character of the outside, and also at the first sight that you are in an Audi. You are in an Audi because first at all we are very clean, reduced to the max is our claim, and showing it really with this very slim and very reduced and elegant dashboard architecture with surround air fans and with some really high quality handcraftsmanship details, like here the aluminum application, the switches which are coming out of a long tradition of design and function in Audi. Also the center console gives you an impression of the new step in the design and the combination of design and technology. It was a step towards intuitive functions in the car, where we had the possibility to reduce the single switchers, but to integrate all the functions in a fantastic system. Also the seats are in this category a big step forward. You see the stitching, the very detailed working, the handcraftmanship in the seat as well, in the leather working. In the door panel we have also this nice feature of real aluminum in the door panel. It's repeating this design you see in the side, giving also a wide impression of the interior, but also a fantastic feature like the Bang & Olufsen sound system with this handcraft aluminum craftsmanship, also with a lighting line.